It's 25th of March and Independence Day in Cyprus, a celebration which marks the start of the Greek Revolution against the Ottoman Empire, a war that brought independence and freedom after 400 years of occupation. Now the event is celebrated both in Greece and in Cyprus with schools, parades in the villages and in the cities. So come and join us in Liopetri as we watch its annual parade.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeli's Journey. Today is a little bit of a hidden surprise in the village. We have a little festival going on with all the children from the village, the local Mukhtar as well. All the roads being cordoned off, as you can see. Very exciting. Are you going to win? The best neighbours ever. I'm not quite sure if we've seen it all, but they all seem to be stopping and going into the local graveyard. So everyone, apparently this is a celebration that happens every year. They've had a little bit of a 5-minute break, the roads opened up again and they've let everybody through. Had a lovely chat with Marie and Steve, the fabulous neighbours who helped us when we first moved over. So yes, now we've been told they all start again and they walk back down the main street. Sid's come to join us. Sid's been to the beach.
Sid's been to the beach, yeah.
We're all on the way back. Well everyone, that was our little celebration running through the village today. So everyone, until next time, until the next celebration.
Yes.
We will speak to you all soon. Take care now. Bye.